Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of August and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so before I was doing pre-shuffling, I got a message. Okay, the cards were the Emperor, Four of Cups, and Empress, and one more card I got, Lovers, no, the Strength card. Yes. So the message was that there are two people over here in the situation. One is being the Empress and the other is Emperor. So you both are basically on the same page. I would say that you are like compatible for each of you. All right, but the problem is with the Emperor, the problem becomes like, that of a fatherly figure, that kind of a stubbornness, that kind of a sternness, I would say. So there is a person who, it might be or might be another person, so just take it as it resonates you. So the one person is being really very stubborn, and the other person is big, and other person is being like a mother, like a figure of nurturing, maturing, that kind of a figure who just loves to care about someone. That is the other person's perspective. That is the person who is showing the love to the other person, and one person is being very stubborn in this situation, being the Emperor and Four of Cups. It's like that, okay, so what if you are loving me, so what? So that is something which is a little of problem over here. I'm seeing that there's some kind of an immaturity in the other person's part, who is not actually able to see the love which the Empress is offering. Okay, so we'll see now what are the messages, what are the other messages from my tarot. Let's see for my Pisces, please, for the month of August. What does my Pisces have for the month of August? Let's see. All right, so last shuffle, please. All right, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, then I will end the reading with a couple of cards from the universe. All right. Okay, yes, love is here with the King of Cups over here. Might be dealing with a Scorpio. Okay. Oh wow, Two of Cups at the end of the deck. I'm seeing that someone over here really wants to communicate to someone. I'm seeing over here that with the Two of Cups and all, I'm seeing the cards. I'm seeing the love factor is here. Someone really wants to show some love, some kind of a lovey-dovey situation over here, where I'm ready to give all of my love to you. I'm ready to be with you. All right, so your past cards are Ace of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune and King of Cups. Yes, so I'm seeing that something happened in recent past. There was a time, I don't know why I'm getting this energy with the Wheel of Fortune today, that which something happened years ago is happening once again, something like that. You left this person far beyond your life. It's been like so many years you are not in contact, but all of a sudden a message popped up from this person, and it was a very beautiful, caring kind of a message with the King of Cups and the Ace of Swords over here. A very beautiful, caring message from this person which actually triggered you. We will clarify what exactly these cards are. This is just a general message which I'm getting. Alright, for the Knight of Cups, Two of Swords and Eight of Rods. So either it's you or the other person. They someone wants to communicate, but there is some kind of a problem, and we'll see what is the problem over here, why this person or you not able to talk to each other. Because two of cups is the soulmate card, something is happening. All right, so the future cards are Knight of Swords, Six of Swords, and Four of Wands. So I'm seeing that whosoever this person is or you will communicate, and it's going to be really fast. And I'm seeing the things are going to move on slowly, but you know, but it will move on. The time will move, the things between you and the other person will start growing, and you will be more mature with each other. You will grow with each other. That's kind of energy I'm getting. All right, so let's clarify now your cards. One more, please. All right, so let's see what is this Two of Cups about in the reading. What is this Two of Cups in the overall energy? Okay, so I got the Devil over here, might be dealing with a Capricorn. Let's see, what else do we have? The Lovers. Oh my god, the Devil and the Lovers might be dealing with a Gemini as well. All right, and the World. Okay, so I got it. I got the message for you. Wow, these cards are, I mean, you're in love with this person, or this person is in love with you. There was a cycle. I am seeing that. I just told you now that with the Wheel of Fortune, I just feel that something completed, and this is something which is the World card and the Devil with the Lovers and Two of Cups. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. All right, so with the Devil and the World, I'm seeing that something has completed, and this was a really bad karmic cycle for some of you with this person only, because I really feel that this person is your twin flame, this person is your soulmate, and that is why there was a gap for both of you to be mature enough. And I don't know whatever happened between these many years, whatever that person was going through, whatever you went through, and there was this karmic cycle which needed to be there, and it is completing this year. And with this, the Lovers and the Two of Cups, it's more of a reunion. Somebody is coming back in your life, or you are moving towards them, something like that. Let's see this Ace of Swords in your past energies. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, might be 7 years as well for some of you. All right, let's see what else do we have for Ace of Swords. Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. What else do we have other than these cards? Please, my tarot angels. Ace of Pentacles. All right, yeah. All right, so for some of you, you are meeting this person after or meeting, or just had a contact, or had a conversation or message or call after between 1 to 7 years, and all of a sudden it was more of a like, hi, how are you, I'm doing fine, like just like that, a small message, some kind of a thing which actually appeared. This person, I don't know whosoever this is, there was a thing, how to say this, deep down inside, both of you were actually thinking for each other. Like all these years also, there was some kind of thinking, like all of a sudden you just start thinking about this person, and or that person might start even think about you. So there is that kind of an energy. Let's see what is this Wheel of Fortune. What is this Wheel of Fortune over here? Justice. Karmic imbalance. See? Alright. What else do we have? Oh my god, the Death and the Empress. So many major arcanas are coming over here. This was See, all are the major arcanas: the Empress, Justice, Death, which clarified the Wheel of Fortune. This is not a simple message, my dear Pisces. This is not a simple reading for you. You have went through a lot of stuff over here. See, your energies were the Lovers, the World, the Devil. All the major arcanas are here, I guess. So, see, this is something which you actually went through. A lot of change was there. There was a lot of transformation. Karmic imbalances were there, which are finally balanced with the Empress. You know, you are meeting this person again. If you are talking to this person again, there is something which you really need to take a note about. Let's see what is this King of Cups. This person actually loves you deeply, or you love this person deeply. There's some kind of again a major arcana, the Tower. Let's see what else do we have. The Tower, King of Cups. What else do we have? This reading is not really simple. Two of Cups again. I'm getting it. What else do we have? What else? Do we have anything else? Last shuffle, please. Alright, the Fool. Major arcana, the Hangman, another major arcana. This is not a simple reading, I'm telling you. Alright, so I got it. There was when you actually left this person, when you were not in communication with this person, not in communication before you stopped talking to this person, a huge moment was there. You just might be even, might have even fought like cats and dogs. Basically, there was a big huge fight I'm seeing over here. No matter how much you love this person or that person loved you, but there was a huge fight. But that fight was for some kind of a karmic cycle was there. I don't know whether you will try to understand what I'm trying to tell you or not, but with that, a lot of things actually came upon, on the surface, and this person started to think what actually I made wrong, where I did something wrong, and you also started to think that what did I do wrong, where was I wrong, why these relationships, why I'm always ending that, like these kind of relationships, why I'm always why all my relations are coming to an end, and all these kind of stuff. And that is why the growth was there with the Fool and Two of Cups over here. I'm seeing that with whatever this thing happened, with whatever anything which might be a fight, a huge fight, but it ended somewhere, and that is why there was a new beginning in regards with that. And you started to think about your issues, that person also started to think, and you both started to grow, but individually, not together, because together was some kind of a karmic imbalance which needed to be finished. And when you parted your ways, when you got separated, that person grew and you also grew. There might be other ups and downs as well in your life other than this problem, but you started to grow, and you now are not talking but wanting to communicate with this person. I want to see this Two of Swords in your present energies. What is this Two of Swords? Why is there confusion? Who is confused in this situation? Please tell me. The Sun, another major arcana. I don't know. I will be out of all the major arcanas. I know that now. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Two of Swords. Please. I want to know what is the reason. Alright. Okay, Magician is also here. Queen of Cups is here. I feel like this person sees his or her reflection in you. You both are like meant for each other, that kind of an energy. This person says that he or she, you or you completes him or her, something like that. And with the King of Cups, see, and we have Queen of Cups also over here. So this is a bonding, this is a relationship. No one can separate you both. With the Magician, I'm seeing that, I'm feeling that there was something, there, that problem actually created, it got created a lot. But I'm seeing that, other than that, the confusion which I was talking about, that there is something, actually, why this person is confused, or why are you confused, basically because the communication, see, the Magician, and with the Queen of Cups, this is Mercury in Cancer. So this is something which is telling me that when you talk to this person, or when this person talks to you, there is an emotional bondage with this person. You're not able to separate each other. This person emotionally is connected to you so much that he or she knows that when I go to this person, he listens to me, or she listens to me, whatever I say. There is an emotional connection. But the problem is that how to start, because of that fight. I'm seeing that because of that huge fight, and there were so many problems between you, and there must be other things as well in your life now. So that is why there is a communication problem. But I'm seeing that there is some kind of communication. Someone will contact you, or you are going to contact this person. I feel that this person is more who will contact you. Let's see the Knight of Swords over here. What is the Knight of Swords in future energy? King of Swords, 10 of Cups, and one more, please. Knight of Cups. All right. So yes, this communication will start. It will start, and it might again, you both will start fighting again, or I'm seeing that one person will say a lot of stuff to someone else, but it will end up like, okay, we can start once again. There might be some kind of very beautiful bond I'm seeing over here, that when you will talk to each other, you both will start fighting again. You might even start saying bad stuff to each other again, that why did you do this? Then he or she will say that why did you do this? You both will you will play a blame game over here, but I think that will be resolved. Let's see, what is this Four of Rods over here? Four of Rods, please. Ace of Cups, a new beginning I'm seeing over here. What else do we have? With the Six of Pentacles. Yes, so there is a mutual give and take in any relationship, and I guess you both understand that thing now. A very beautiful reading, Pisces. Okay, so let's go towards the advice from the universe. Let's see what does the universe has for this communication or this situation. Any advice which the universe wants to give to you. Let's see. King of Pentacles. Okay. What else? What else do we have other than King of Pentacles? Two of Pentacles, and I think I have one more card. Yeah, 10 of Rods, King of Pentacles. Okay, so the universe wants to tell you whatever the things which you both went through. There was a lot of burden in your life. Might be still, you might be having some kind of burden in your life. Might be this person also dealing with some kind of problems in his life or her life. But at the end, what happens? Either then, rather being how to say this, instead of juggling between the problems, it's much better to just find a solution, and in a very mature manner. The universe wants to tell you that there are a lot of problems going on in your life right now, and with this person as well there are problems going on. But you might juggle between these two problems, like whether I should call or not, whether I should do this or not. just leave those things aside and think maturely about the solution the universe wants to tell you. And one more thing, go slow. That is what the universe is saying. Go slow. If you are actually wanting this thing to happen, don't rush into anything at the end, because you have already went through a lot of stuff over here. So go slow, try to understand each other, and then move forward, because I'm seeing that you are going forward but you are going slow. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Pisces. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.